right after we ate dinner, a big storm came in and it got really flooded here. But oh my God, it made for great pictures. Good morning. We had a great night, even though that storm was pretty wicked. It calmed down and we slept like babies because we were exhausted. So this morning,
Well, this morning, Marcy wants me to go out and try some drone footage. So I'll get the drone set up and I'll be heading out and we'll see what I can do.
he has to practice the drone, right? Because he's always afraid to go and do the footage, and I love that footage. I need it for my edits. So he's going to go and do it.
Whatever Marcy wants, Marcy gets.
If you have a wife, you know that it's all about her.
Happy wife, happy life.
Yeah.
This is Hardee Lakes Park. It's near Bowling Green, Florida, and it used to be a phosphate mine. Today, it's one of the prettiest Florida escapes we have never heard of. The mining stopped in the early 80s. The property was turned over to Hardee County and opened to the public in 2001. The old phosphate pits were filled in and became 4 lakes that are the centerpiece of the park: Lake Hardee, Deer Lake, Lake Firefly, and Gator Lake. All 4 lakes are open for shore fishing, dock fishing, and boat fishing for largemouth bass, crappie, bream, and catfish. The park also has a number of horse trails, hiking trails, and bike trails winding all through the park. And the reason we're here is for the camping. The campground sits alongside Lake Hardee. There are primitive sites, premium sites by the lake, and regular sites. There are picnic pavilions, a playground, restrooms with showers, what looks like a dog park, and a small camp store. There's also a road in the park that can take you all around the lakes. And there's a fair amount of wildlife here, mostly birds, but we have seen some deer, a couple of armadillos, which the dogs were very interested in. And we have seen a few gators swimming around. I know next to nothing about plants. So thank God for Google Eye. I can take a picture and it'll tell me what something is. So these yellow flowers are American lotus. They're a wildflower. But what got my attention was next to the flowers are these little things that they're kind of cone shaped. They turned out those are the seed pods. But what's really interesting is that all of the seed pods that haven't dropped their seeds yet or haven't bloomed, they're all pointing east, every single one of them. But once they've dropped their seeds and they die, they're all pointing straight up. Really interesting.
So we have some friends from Florida Van Gatherings, that group that we belong to, that are amazing. And they knew that we were here, so they decided to come and spend a couple of days with us. And they're just getting here now. Yep, here they are.
We couldn't check in. The office is closed till 1 for lunch.
Oh.
It was like, who closes for lunch at an RV place? Oh, we're gonna get you guys. Say hello.
Oh.
There we go.
The award winner.
Partners in crime.
Marty, more to the left.
Left, right.
It was in line with that post. Walk right to her boss.
That's what happens when you got to go pick up dog poop after the fact.
Well,
made them pack and had not packed his swimsuit. Don't speak for two. He had not packed underwear.
Yeah.
So we went and spent. Happy birthday, dear Bob and Marty. Happy birthday to you. Why am I the only one singing?
Because the cake's not ready yet.
Well, it's close.
Oh, look at that cake. Is that beautiful?
Is that pretty?
Happy birthday!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
How cute is that?
She's gonna take your cookie.
There's plenty of chocolate there. Those are really good.
Look at that.
There's no lighthouses around
I
us.
see.
All right, do you have?
Our firecrackers.
Where are you gonna sit?
So today is our last day here, and the boys are out doing their cooking. Here's the other cooker. Cooking. What you making?
Making a little chicken teriyaki stir fry.
He never cooks outside, and I love it when he cooks outside. No grease splatter, no smells. It's amazing.
Look, we're drinking and eating.
Here's the magic that makes the meal good.
That's it. So speaking of, Bubba, do you want a little something, something?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Okay. I'm gonna help you out here.
I got so many pictures of us in camping.
Yeah.
They're like that.
The rain comes like clockwork, same time, every night.
We might have to plan our dinners earlier or later then.
Well, we're leaving tomorrow.
Oh, you're right. Dang. Going home? When are y'all going out again?
The road ahead is hard to see. The answer's still unknown. Every test and every scan feels like a stepping stone. I'm holding on to hope each day, though fear still finds its way. Trusting that tomorrow holds a brighter light than yesterday. One step at a time, one prayer at a time, I'll face whatever's next. 'Cause even in the waiting, hope is stronger